Welcome back. This is an unboxing from Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and you can see that the package that I have today is from Bucharest, and has made in Transylvania, has bats on it, and holy cow, that's a shoebox. This is just a gorgeous box. I think I'm gonna have to redo videos of my nicest boxes, because this one is definitely up there. But it is Petru and Claymoor in Transylvania, and this is something that is this piece here is just gorgeous, but you know, it's more than that. It's the shoes, it's the experience, it's the trial pair. You know, they did really nice. The Here by Bespoke product is an authentic work of craft produced in Romania by Petru and Claymoor. Our company uses high quality processes and materials, and as well as 100% handcraft to assembly the finished product. Hence, every Petru and Claymoor product is unique, personalized, based on a classic blueprint. All technical specifications as below. And this is my first. So the serial number is 1 of 1. Handmade in Bison, and pretty darn excited. Now, these are made to measure, not bespoke. They didn't have fittings, and they didn't make the mask or the last just for me, at least not that I know of. I do know that it was adjusted for my fit and based on my measurements. So, and I didn't change the pattern, but I did choose the materials, and they did provide trial shoes. There was some question because my trial shoes were in Oxford and these are derbies, but it is a very close, some people will call it semi-bespoke. Generally, I don't think it's bespoke if they didn't take, you know, 100 measurements of my foot. I've started a bespoke process with another maker, and it is very different. Not to take anything away from the work that this team did, because these are absolutely beautiful. I've posted some of the pictures of them coming, but this is the first time I've seen them. So I want to really kind of give you my first impression. This is of it live. This is just a handle in a 2-piece tree. It pulls out, and it is a single piece here, you know, but it is a perfect fit. So that means that this is to my bespoke size and last. So kind of exciting all by itself. And this is the shoe. Now, this is Bison, very similar to the Water Buffalo Bison pair that I have from St. Crispin's, which is also made in Romania. But these are hand-sewn soles. The construction on them is entirely by hand. You can see this. While the initials are a little bit smaller than I normally have, it is very nice. You can see that they hammered shut there. A little bit of traction on the heel. The lining is absolutely plush. There's a single leather insole, which I prefer. And this is every bit of what I expected it to be based on, and look at that, the way they've got that little bulge at the toe there. It's very hard to do on a last, and they've captured the pattern. Now, if you think about my other Bison shoes, they had a large pattern here, and it wrapped around into a small pattern, or actually it was a large pattern on the inside and small on the outside. This is more uniform. This also has a seam in the back. Looks like somebody carved their initial into that, which is interesting. It is just a gorgeous shoe. And if you look at that, There's definitely a V. That is not accidental. That's not random. It's just interesting. And, you know, the waist, as I said, it's closed, right? So that means that they did stitch through. That is very, very interesting. So I've got some questions for them. This is all obviously done by hand. Doesn't look like they used a mold even for this. This is just really fascinating on the way that they did it. And certainly something that I think is going to wear well. So that is the right shoe. Let's go ahead and put this back together. Now this is a very heavy tree, so not one that I would probably travel with. But take that there. Well, let's take a look at the left shoe. Now this box is, as I said before, absolutely stunning. Their bags, by the way, canvas with a nice patch on them. Very clean, I think is the word for it. Let's take a look. Very nice. No initial on this one. Just a good, great, even looking shoe. Look at the skin stitching done in the Bison there. It's just a very interesting, phenomenal look. I spoke to another shoemaker today about making a pair of boots with the Bison shaft. He sent me some examples, and the way the leather just feels elasticy, and I can't wait to get these on the hoof. They just look absolutely stunning, and something that I'm going to treasure a long time. Now, you know, this brand, they price each shoe separately. So, I mean, not each left and right, but each pair is really defined based on what you want and how you want to do it. And they were on the high end of price-wise. So these are over, you know, a couple €1,000, and but entirely handmade in Europe, and looks like exceptional quality. So really looking forward to getting these on the hoof and sharing that experience with you. And we'll get more pictures out in the sun tomorrow. But thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.